welding. It's definitely hands-on. It's not really too hard to get your hands on. I start off with the easiest one first, which is probably gas metal arc welding. I say I can teach you 3-year-old how to do that one. Well, then I show them shielded metal arc welding and say that you're not really that good. Bring them back down a little bit, and then oxy and TIG. And by the time we get to TIG, they're pretty good. We're dual accredited with COD, College of DuPage. It's the basic 1100 class they're doing in 173 days compared to 12 days. So there's a lot more experience. They're getting hands-on here with the basics before they go over to the college. Then it's about a year and a half for an associate's degree in welding. I'm trying to get the students right now to pay attention to the sounds as well as the visual of what the weld is doing, because you can also tell a little bit by the sounds and the light that comes off of the weld. There's a lot of book work to it, which they kind of get surprised with, but there's a lot of science and there's a lot of math that goes along with it. For the general 1100 first-year student, I do most of that for them. They just enjoy kind of what they're doing with hands-on. The second-year students, they get a lot more of the advanced work. What drives me the most to teach it at TCD is the opportunity for the students, the fun that they can have with welding. Not just the industry side of welding, but also the art side of welding. Just when they get it, that aha moment when they get it and they have fun with it.